In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blank or white screen problem when opening Chrome. So what you're going to do firstly, so if you are unable to launch the Chrome, so what you can do is go to Google Chrome. So just on your search bar here, type in Google Chrome. Okay, so when you have the Google Chrome here, so what you can do, right click on it and then hit on run as administrator. Okay, click on run as administrator and click on yes and see if it launches the Google Chrome. Okay, so if you're able to launch it, so what you can do another way is open up your Google Chrome. So once you are able to launch it, okay, click on the three dots here on your top right there, click on the three dots and here go to settings, click on settings. Okay, once you're on the settings here, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down. Okay, scroll all the way down and you will see an option called About Chrome. Click on the About Chrome and see if there is an update. If there is an update, then update your Google Chrome. Click on it and update the Google Chrome, because mostly updating will fix up all your issues on Chrome. Okay, and the third method that we can do is same thing. Open up Chrome, go to the settings page here. Once you're on the settings page here, click on these. On your left side menu, there is an option called Reset Settings. Click on Reset Settings and then click on Restore Settings to the original default. So this will fix up all any misconfigurations, issues and everything, and you'll set your browser to default and hit on it. Once you're done, you try to restart your browser and that should fix up the issue.